Greetings, Benjamin J from Ben's Trains with another in the series. Still playing with the Lionel 50 gang car. And since it was running so well, I figured I'd hook it up to the remote, still running on AC, of course, and see how it responds. This actually runs really well on this remote. We can speed it up. We can slow it down. As you see. And we can stop it. Right there. Alright, so in any case, it's actually running really well on the remote. As you see. It's really interesting to be able to run a layout with a remote control without having to touch anything. As you see, this actually works quite well. You can really slow it down, as you see. Speed it up. So this works really, really well. It's one of the remotes that actually work perfectly for running a O-gauge layout. It's really, really simple, reasonably inexpensive, and it works. It's really efficient. It gives you really splendid control over the locomotive. So in any case, it works with AC or DC as long as the DC isn't regulated. So you just plug the transformer, whatever you're using to power the track, into the controller, plug the controller into the wall, and from then on you control the input to the transformer, which controls the output from the transformer. In any case, it works. There's no doubt about that. This works really well. Anyway, just continuing the experiments and, of course, keeping myself occupied. So, a quick video. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email. BENZTRAUINZ@gmail.com. And as always, thank you for watching.